Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome to another tutorial with me. In today's tutorial, we will be going over dates and time in PHP. So let's begin. So in order to display the date or the time, you will need the date function. So I'm just going to echo, I'm going to use the date function, and inside the parameters, you're going to put the double or single quotes. In between the double or single quotes, you will format the date. So you can format the date any way you want to. I'm going to start with the letter L, which is for the day of the week, M, which is for the month, D, which is for the day of the month, and Y, which is for the year. And I'm going to save that, go over to localhost / tut.php. And it says Wednesday 8/31/16. So the date is wrong in this case because today is not Wednesday and today is not the 31st. So today is Tuesday the 30th. So the reason why it's giving us the wrong date because the current date comes from the server. Wherever your server is from, wherever country is from, that's the current date it's going to get. So to change that and to change it to your default time zone, you will do something like date underscore default underscore time zone underscore set. So in this case, you will set your time zone. And I'm going to set my time zone to America / New York. Or this is my time zone. And I'm going to save that, refresh, and then we got an invalid. Okay. Because America has to be capitalized. And also, New York has to be space. So we're going to put an underscore here. And save that. And refresh. And we get Tuesday, 8/30/16, which is the correct date for today. Now that is for the date. Let's say we want to get the time. So I'm just going to keep this so I can have my default time zone. And I am just going to erase this. To get the time, you will have H, which is for the hour, I, which is for the minutes, S, which is for the second, and A, which is for AM or PM. And you save that, refresh, and you get 9:39:48 p.m. Now we can also change the time zone if we want to. So I will say something like Los Angeles. Save, refresh, and we get 6:40:15. Remember, Los Angeles is 3 hours behind. So that is the time zone. And you can also mix this up. So we can say something like we have the year, we can have the month, we can have the day, and we can have the day of the week. You can go ahead and refresh. So we have the best of both worlds. We have the date and we have the time. And you also can format this in any way. You can use a forward slash for each one. You can use the dot. You can use the asterisk or whatever is best for you. Now, let's say we wanted to create the date or the time. So in order to do that, I'll erase this. I'm going to make a variable called m. And m is going to equal to mk time function. And this allows you to create the date. And it returns the Unix time stamp. So I could create my date and my time. So I will go ahead and have different numbers. I'm going to have 6 numbers. So I'm going to have 11, 22, 54, 20, 17, and I will have 30. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. So now I will go ahead and echo date. And the format I want this to be in is LMDY, comma, the variable m. So control, save, and we will refresh this. And basically this is the date that we created, Sunday, August 17, 31. So there you have it. So that is how we create our date. Now let's say we wanted to create a date from a string. Now this will be a little bit different. So I'm going to have a variable called s. S is going to equal to a function str2 time. And so what this function does, it takes the string and convert it to Unix time. So I'm going to write the word tomorrow. And what I want is for it to give me the date for tomorrow. So echo date, give me the year, the month, the day, and the day of the week. So control save. Oh, actually, comma, and you will add your variable. So save that and refresh. And tomorrow will be Wednesday the 31st. And I can also say, give me the date for 100 days from now. So 100 days. So 100 days from now will be 16/12/08 on a Thursday. And we could do 500 days. 500 days from now. And we would get 18/01/12 Friday. And that is how that works. And that's how you create a date from a string. So that is it for this tutorial. We learned about the date and the time in PHP. So I hope you guys learned a lot, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye!